I was going to change the oil today on the Cayenne, but I chose not to because it started raining. I chose to just edit a video I previously made doing the valve cover gasket on the Cayenne. Unfortunately, my battery died, so it's not a complete video. So I hope you get some kind of enjoyment and maybe a laugh out of it. Enjoy. What's up, guys? Here, Joe and I, we've been working on the Porsche. I'm going to change the valve cover gasket. I already have the plastics off the top. I've already done the driver's side. So we're just going to jump right into it. Alright, I don't know if I want to... You guys start with disconnecting the negative from the battery. Right, Joe?
Absolutely.
Why do we always disconnect the...
Safety first.
Taking off the air injector.
We need that same bit again, huh?
Actually, you can just hold this.
Alright, Ashton. What size is that?
Well, it's not this side. I think we're gonna start with the T45. Nope, it's gonna be a T40 maybe? You gotta look at me, they want to see me too, you know? Shut up, damn kids! I can say damn, right? Right?
Sure.
Tell us down in the comments, can we say damn on YouTube? So the purpose of these secondary air injectors are just to heat up the catalytic converters.
Well, that's just dumb. We should just get rid of the catalytic converters and then you don't have to put these pumps back on.
Yeah.
This isn't California.
Then it won't need to heat up anything.
That's right.
You can just kind of yank at it a little bit, you know. Yep, see? If you just pull it hard enough, it comes right out of the way. We'll just leave it there.
Good thing we're not going to put any of these parts back on when we're done. I'm only kidding, viewers. We love the environment and would always put our emissions control devices back on. You know what would make this better? If we took it out and put a Cummins in it. Cummins Porsche.
I always keep a swivel in my underwear drawer. You never know when you need to get at her from an angle. Oh, I don't know if I needed that.
Nah.
Yo, she needs mad angle. It's like they designed it to be done when the motor's out of the car.
Yeah.
Oh wait, they did. Sometimes you should just leave a little gem in.
Alright guys, we're having trouble here.
I'm just gonna film the top of your head.
Am I balding? I'm not balding yet, am I?
No, not yet.
Oh, I think I'm trying to tighten it. Maybe that's my problem, Joe.
Yeah, just because it's German doesn't mean it's all reverse thread.
Now I'm trying to tighten.
They should make all ratchets with on and off on the top.
I did loosen it.
Did you?
I did. You probably don't believe me.
No.
Someone decided there needed to be like 20 air hoses to warm up the catalytic converter in this particular spot.
Oh, got a little turn on it. Nobody's gonna know the real struggle, huh?
I make it look easy, Joe. That's my job, is to make everything look easy.
I think
So they go out and fail and then come back and watch my video and fantasize about
about being you, huh?
about being me.
I think we should just play classical music every time we're working on the Porsche.
So Mozart copyrights
yep.
me.
He ain't gonna argue with you. If we were getting paid flat rate, we'd be unemployed by now.
Alright, Joe, you're about to struggle yourself in a moment.
No.
Don't keep your mouth shut. Did I get the other one out?
No, I think it's the first one. Crazy Germans. Looking right at you.
I'm about to just cut it all out.
No.
And start fresh.
They're all unnecessary hoses anyway, so.
Joe's putting this back on for sure. I hate whoever designed it. I bet it's real easy to deal with when the motor's out.
Yeah,
It's super simple to do.
I bet it is. Look
So
at
it only
that.
took about
30 seconds.
30, 45 seconds
Yeah.
to do. No big deal, guys. So now we're just going to work on taking off the motor mounts and all the wiring to the coil packs.
Because in Germany, apparently, put the motor mounts over top of the valve covers.
Is that nick that you just gave there,
no,
bro?
that was there.
This came from factory that way.
Oh, yeah.
No, it can't be sloppy.
Well, it's not super sloppy, but I don't want the haters on YouTube to be like, it ain't a 16, it's a
15 and a half.
15
Half millimeter special order part. Wait, hold on. There we go.
Take off the ground. So, previously, somebody broke off one of the bolts holding down the coil. So, we're able to just pop that coil out, but if not, you would have to unbolt that because this wire goes down through there. Okay, get that out of the way. Vent. Squeeze the sides. Pops right off.
I've just been holding over the mic anyways. I forget. Yeah, you can't hold your fingers over those holes. Cracking an old bolt that hasn't been opened in 10 years. Sounds good.
Should we be filming this?
It is.
Oh. Today's beautiful.
Nah.
Alright, it's double time. Getting double time because it's a holiday. Cummins Porsche. See it now. Little 4BT.
We should put fabric behind it for that paint.
Dang. Got all kinds of extension now.
We need to switch out the heads.
Let me try to hold my hand on.
No, I need some more leverage than that. I want to maybe stuff a rag behind it. Alright, so what we ended up doing is pounding this piece. So what we ended up doing is taking an Allen wrench bit and putting it through and actually hammering out T40 out the end, and then using a piece of plastic to prop it inside of a 1/4 inch, taking a 9/16, 2 extensions and my broken kickstand for my motorcycle and putting it in the end as leverage to break the seal. There you go. Nice little clip. Alright, this is where we at. The camera died, so I'll give you a little update of what we did. We cleaned it up. I put it in my sink and I scrub a dub, soap and water. One thing to keep in mind right here, you need to make sure you put it on the right way. There's only one way to put it on. You know, if you put it upside down or whatnot, you can put it backwards and it kind of fits, but you need to make sure that this is just laying across the top. Other thing, keep in mind, you gotta have some gasket maker. There's 2 points on the motor, right here and at the bottom, right there. You need to just put a little bit, which I'll do right now. So Joe's going over, seeing if he has any gasket maker. Mine is no good anymore.
Let's see again. So we have some Permatex Form a Gasket Sealant.
Form a gasket sealant.
Or we have some genuine Mopar gear sealant, RTV silicone rubber adhesive.
Gear sealant. So this is ready for high temperature.
I'm sure it probably is. I would probably use either one of these. I think it would be fine.
I don't know about that one.
It's the same stuff. Form a gasket. And it's made for the professional. That's what it says.
Withstands temperatures 625 degrees. This will be plenty. What color is this?
Probably black.
Well, I only use black. Once you go black, you never go back. So we'll put a little bit on there.
Be the best thing on the Porsche. Genuine Mopar gear sealant.
Watch everyone out there freaking out right now. It's gray.
Gray? Oh, it's real good stuff then.
Seems like some good stuff. I like it. I just feel really bad that I'm opening this huge, nice bottle of it for just a tiny, tiny bit.
It's alright. Just means I'll have to do something really soon that requires.
Oh my god, it looks terrible in there. I need to.
Oh jeez. This
Go back
guy
inside.
is.
Let's
This
go
guy
back
is
inside.
OCD
Oh,
about.
I'm inside.
You're for real?
Yeah. It all cover back on. No, that's. Oh, now are we filming?
Now we're filming.
Okay.
You should use the red thread lock so you never can get them back out again.
I've used this thread locker all the time. I've never had a problem with it, okay?
You ever feel like you're being watched?
Only by about one person. My mother.
Pretty good.
How long did what's
You're not gonna. Wires go on the rail.
look on the other side to tighten it, so I can tighten it how I want.
Like,
There's some tension. Get all, take out everything like crazy.
Are you filming?
You would call me.
Is it? Oh.
So I was gonna make a video today, but it started raining. I'm lying, by the way, because I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday. Cover gasket. Unfortunately, I watch my eyeball. I watch my eyeball because the thing's covering. So I decided. See, I used the same words too many times.
Yeah.
So I was gonna. So I decided.
Take two.
This is like take like 50.
I know.
So I was gonna change the oil today. What? I was gonna change the oil today on the Cayenne, but I chose not to. That's what I'm using. This in one bit. Are you watching me over there?
I am. I think you should blink more. You're kind of like staring at it as well. Kind of like this, like talking. You like forget to blink.
On the Cayenne. Now I'm thinking about blinking. I need to use decided later. Enjoy. I don't like my nod I gave at the end.
It's okay.
Enjoy.
It's okay.
Japan!